Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart an M17 Bushmaster. Okay. Okay, you need a screwdriver. You're going to knock out these 3 pins. There, there, and there. Okay, now what you're going to want to do, this first pin's going to fall out. This one will stay in. And then you want to remove this last pin. Which will stay in place too. You want to pull down from the butt, because if not, pull down from up here like this. This will catch and will pull. It'll pull the trigger forward like that. Here, it'll pull this forward and it will set the hammer off. So, now what you're going to do, now you get that taken apart, set it to the side. Now, you need an Allen wrench. You gotta find the right set. Oh. Don't forget your chambering system. Okay, then what you're going to want to do, once you get this piece right here loosened up, now remove this piece. Put the other one to the side. And now, I know a lot of people have had trouble pulling the barrel out. Well, what you want to do, right here, it will drop just enough for the barrel to pull out. Once the barrel pulls out, you got the weapon all taken apart. And it's ready for cleaning. Okay, now here's the tricky part. When you putting it back together. Tricky part. There. You want to make sure you got that part right there facing towards you. What do you want to pull this slide back? Get that there. Get that tightened down. Yeah, now that won't come off. Okay. And what you want to do? This. Okay, right there. Make sure you get lined up right there, so it'll work. So it'll fit. What you want to do? It's like an ordinary bushmaster. So I forgot a piece. what you want to do. Make sure all of these are belt back together. Back together. And I also put, as you see right here, put grip tape and grip tape for skateboards on my handles. I also put a piece right there on my trigger. So, thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe, and have a nice day.